So what we have here is the Mamaroo for moms. It's been set up already and unboxed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the baby in and then have a first go at it. So watch out. So baby all strapped in. We're gonna switch it on now and let it do its magic. Alright, that's enough, Bella. Alright. Got the dog taking care. Time to switch it on and we'll go from there. So to switch on, just click on. In here, it's got various other ways mode. So you have a car ride, kangaroo, a tree swing, rock-a-bye, and wave. So right now, we're just gonna go for the car ride. So there's a car ride in motion. You can increase the speed. And just let it do its magic. Alternatively, go to kangaroo. Different up and down mode. We'll go to another mode. Tree swing. Try a different mode. And let's try the wave mode. Somebody's living in cloud 9, as you can clearly see. It was crying before, but now it's chilling. Yeah, that's the Mamaroo for you. Different settings. You can as well add some music to it. So it's got like white noise. Different sound. It's like a wave sound. The heartbeat. As well as this, it has a Bluetooth, so you can connect it as well to a Bluetooth. Somebody's not liking that noise. Let's change the mode. And we'll go to the wave. So with baby all tucked in again, just have to allow the Mamaroo to do his thing. So right now we just got the little one enjoying his slow and moving ride without any effort from any of us, but mom or dad just chilling, watching, waiting for him to either cry or tell us, oh, you know what, I'm done here, get me out of here. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe as well. More videos to come. Many thanks for watching.